All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a really neat classic Porsche 1963 356B Coupe. It's an S, so it's a 1600S, which is a whopping 75 horsepower versus 60. But same owner for the last 53 years, really nice older guy, career Navy veteran. Always took care of this car, took it in for service regularly. You know, it's not perfect, but it's pretty nice. Floors are all really good. It had a paint job a long time ago, but it still looks good. It's got a, like I said in my ad, it's got a little bit of patina, but you know, you're not worried about it. You can drive it, get a little door ding or chip or something like that. You just deal with it. Not a big deal. But the synchros feel good, the transmission, the engine's nice and clean. It was rebuilt with a big bore kit, so it actually runs pretty good. But it is matching numbers, original engine. I've got some import documentation when he bought it from a friend of his when it was shipped here from Italy 53 years ago. That's kind of cool. But pretty basic. It's got the original AM FM Blaupunkt stereo. I don't know if it works, I didn't even try it. Got a couple squeaks and stuff like that when you're driving it. That's kind of how these things were, you know. I put brand new tires on it also. They look like new, but they were pretty old because you didn't drive it that much. So it's got brand new Michelins on there also. It drives really good. We're gonna go up here to the corner and take some more pictures and video, let you get a better look at it. Take a look at this beautiful little 356 Coupe. Really nice condition, same owner of the last 53 years. 63 356B. Last year, the drum brakes for these cars, they stopped good. It's got new Michelins. Older paint job, been in California all this time for the last 53 years. Those are the license plates from way back when, old blue plates. That's from the 70s at least. A couple little nicks and chips and little, you know, touch-ups here and there, but it looks so good, and it's a little less than some of the other ones out there. They're getting pretty expensive and they're going up in value. They're not going to stop. There's fewer and fewer available, especially in the US. I shipped a lot of these overseas in the last about 5-6 years ago, a bunch of them. They were buying them like crazy when the exchange rate was good. So, less here, unless they start shipping them back. But it's got the chrome wheels. Bumpers are all in good shape. The interior's nice. It's older, had to have been redone, but I don't know. Door panels are probably original. All the original chrome. AM FM radio, factory steering wheel, original gauges. Headliner's still in good shape. Got the fold up rear seats here. Can't really use those, but I guess you could. Got little kids or something. But I have the import documentation for this car. It's all matching numbers. It's an S, which makes it the 75 horsepower version. Little 1600, and I also had a big bore kit, so it might have a little more horsepower than that. It feels really good. Beautiful, solid little car. Here's the power plant in the 63 356. It's a 1600S, 75 horsepower. It's got the dual carburetors on there. 6-volt system, still works great. Engine compartment's still pretty good. It's not been restored. I mean, sound padding there is kind of gone, and there's a few things, little pieces of rubber here and there you could buy, but this is a nice driver quality car that's worthy of restoring if you want to go the extra mile. But who needs to? It looks great. Just drive it and enjoy it. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Good running little motor. Pretty basic kind of car. Easy to maintain. Still get parts for them. But if you want to see this one in person, come visit us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show it to you in person, or if you can't make it out here, we can ship it to you any place in the world and get you handled. We also have financing available too. All right, thanks for watching.